Hello, my name is John Cobb Rochford, and I'm an attorney here in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been practicing law in Nashville for 22 years and have a lot of experience with respect to real estate law. The reason I'm here today is because we're here to talk about the for sale by owner process. The term for sale by owner includes the four letters FSBO. Of course, those letters stand for sale by owner. And a for sale by owner is a situation specifically in which an individual decides to sell a house or other property by themselves without the services of a real estate agent. The positive aspects of selling your own property are many. One in particular is basically what I would call having your finger on the pulse. Oftentimes when there is a real estate agent involved between you and possibly the other party involved in the transaction, you don't necessarily know everything that's going on. And maybe the real estate agent is informing you as to what's going on, but when you have direct interaction with the buyer or seller, you know more. But another obvious aspect of selling your house yourself, which is also what I would consider to be very positive, and it's the main reason why people generally attempt it, is that if you sell your house yourself, you obviously do not pay a real estate commission, which we all know can be expensive. As far as the downsides of selling your own property, there are some, and so the for sale by owner process is clearly not for everybody. I'll give you an example. I had a call yesterday from an individual who lives in the state of California, and she inherited a property in East Tennessee that she's wanting to sell. She can't come to Tennessee to sell that property. She needs somebody to actually be physically present to show the property and to meet with potential buyers. The for sale by owner process is not best suited for someone like that. And so with respect to people like that, the for sale by owner process is probably not going to work. But for many others, it does work. A real estate attorney can offer any number of protections to a seller, and some of those protections have to do with making sure that documents are signed properly, and that documents are not only signed properly, but all of the title background of the property is researched properly. Those are just some of the examples of situations where I can help sellers and buyers when it comes to purchasing and selling real estate. My grandfather started one of the best remembered title companies here in Nashville, and his office was located on the first floor of the Stallman building in downtown Nashville. And I got started working with him. Went to law school and got my law degree and ended up going to work for one of the biggest law firms in Nashville, where I didn't just simply search titles, but I actually closed on them. And so I handled a lot of closings, but also was a real estate litigation attorney and went to court all over the state of Tennessee. My title insurance underwriters still hire me to this day to fix title problems. This is just a little bit of background as far as my experience with real estate law in Nashville. I handle closings that are as small as sidewalk closings, and I've handled closings that are in the tens of millions of dollars. My name is John Rochford, and if you have any questions about a for sale by owner, give me a call for a free consultation.